Hey, I'm Meadow with Sunday Afternoons, and I'm excited to introduce you to our all-new Charter Escape hat. Now, this is the little brother to our original Charter hat. It's got a little bit trimmer profile, but it's still the classic, iconic Outback silhouette. Great structure, great fit. I know you're gonna love it. Let's jump into the details, and we'll start off with the fabric. Now, this is a 100% nylon, blue sign certified, stain and water resistant, and of course, UPF 50+, so you're getting excellent sun protection, a lot of comfort when you wear it. Now the brim size itself, we got 2 inches in the front, 2 3/4 inches in the back, and 1 3/4 inches on the sides here. So it's a little bit trimmer in the profile, but the bonus is this is actually a closed cell foam, so it's gonna float in water. So if you're out there doing the water sports, I know you're gonna enjoy it. Now, if we take a look at the mesh, this is also a UPF 50+, so excellent sun protection there. And one of my favorite features about the Charter Escape, this is a popular feature across Sunday Afternoons, is our Sunglass Lock technology. You simply pop your shades in, they lock into place, they're not going anywhere, pop them off and put them on your head when you're ready, and you can continue on your day. Now let's take a look under the hood. Now you'll notice we have a dark underbrim. This protects your eyes from glare, chin strap to keep it on when it gets windy. We have a wicking sweatband around the side here. We've got a really cool, innovative sizing system. Last feature up here, we have a hidden pocket up top. Again, this is the Charter Escape hat by Sunday Afternoons. I'm Meadow, and don't forget your hat.